I made you a glass of water, but I don't know how.
How are we gonna
Can we do this? Can we chunk it back? Alright, I just came across something I've never seen before. This is a little Gyoza shop that is just on a nondescript little road out here kind of in northern Tokyo. Really residential area. And the Gyoza shop has got no people in it. Aside from me, of course. As you can see, I'm alone inside of this little room. And it's kind of like based on the honor system. You just come over here and you grab a big plate of gyoza, which are like dumplings, right? And they've got like vegetables inside of them and stuff if you're unfamiliar with it, but it's essentially like a little dumpling. And anyway, there's a big tray of them you can get here, and for one tray there's 36 of them, and it costs 1,000 yen, which is like under $10. And then if you need some sauce, you can come over here, this little guy here, and you can grab a little thing of sauce, and this is about $1.50 for this thing of sauce. And then you just come over to this guy and you just put your money in the box. You just put a 1,000 yen bill in the box and you can get some of this stuff here and then you roll. And this is just like a gyoza like self vending machine without the machine but with the self. Like, it's pretty wild. And there's this lady over here like on the TV explaining how the whole thing works. She shows how to put the money in the box. Not like that. You gotta put it in like the other way so it falls in nicely. And yeah, this is I've never seen this before. I've seen those like, you know, vegetable stands and stuff with this type of thing.
This is an Inaka, the country vending machine. You got your normal drinks right over here. You've got your pickled daikon right here. This is definite standard for the vending machine. And then a couple other pickled items and some vegetables and some bear bait down here. And, you know, standard stuff you need while you're cruising down the road.
See the box for the money?
And you put your money in here. I mean, you just open the little door. It's not as easy to open as one would think, because the bears will get it.
The one thing that you can't gather from visuals that I can tell you with nostrils is that it smells like a sauna in here, like that kind of wood, you know what I mean? Like, it smells like, I don't know, really clean and like, smells like a sauna, I guess. That's the best way I can say it. But yeah, really cool system. If this was nearby, I would be buying some gyoza more often, because this is pretty legit. This is a cool way to grab some easy dinner. Alright, I'm walking back past this gyoza place. I'm gonna get a plate of these things for dinner. We're gonna see what's up. And as you can see, this place is open 24 hours a day. That's a cool sign. Alright, so I can come in here and I can get one pack of these things, which is way more than we need. So I'm gonna get one pack of these things, that's 36. And they are frozen. And I'm gonna stick these over here. And I'm gonna come over here, I'm gonna get one of these sauces, because why the hell not? It's 200 yen. It's just kyde sauce. And put that down. And I'm gonna clunk my 2 coins in. And I'm gonna clunk my big bill in. Like I said, this is like $9.50 or something. This isn't breaking the bank at all. And I'm gonna bag this up and I'm gonna kick it. Alright, let's go, y'all. That's a push.
Eric said he's bringing home dinner. This is not something you say. Ever. So I was like, okay.
I found something fun.
Yeah, so apparently he found something fun, but it looks like really ordinary to me. I don't really understand. Shit's gyoza. I've seen this. It's fun. It is frozen. I assume it was bought from a shop. Gyoza essentially is just like a little pastry on the outside, and then usually you'll have some pork and some veggies on the inside. And they're usually seasoned perfectly, and it's a good choice for dinner. I have started to get things prepared. The instructions, which I have conveniently hung here, say that we should heat up some oil. Then we're going to put the gyoza in. I used olive oil, and I feel like that's wrong.
Is that all we have?
Yeah, but olive oil's like the prime oil.
Oh.
It's like the top-notch oil. Everybody is like, ooh, olive oil, wow. Like, they give you bread just for you to eat the oil. Seriously. But I look at this and I'm like, that doesn't seem like olive oil stuff. And I also feel like they told me to put too much oil in here. I feel like it's too much.
Was it for all of them, or did it say how many for?
It doesn't say how many. We have 18 here.
Yeah, there's
16.
There's 36 total.
36?
Yeah, I think so. I think that's what
Numbers. Don't care about math right now. Care about gyoza. So I think that this is sufficiently warmed up. This is still sufficiently frozen. And I am going to risk... Really thought there was going to be some impact. Oh, there it goes. I think that the frozenness doesn't react. It has to get through the frozen before it can deal with giving it any of the... What's the word I'm looking for? The bubbles! I did as the instructions said, and I put some gyoza in there. I have decided that gyozas don't need social distancing at all. I have decided just to cram them in there. I think it's going to be alright. They have been getting the oil on the bottom of them and warming up. They were frozen, so I hope that defrosting wasn't part of this. Regardless, we're past that step. The next thing it says is to take 100 cc's of hot water and to just go over them. So I add that. And then it says, put this on top, set it on medium heat, the taco, then let it go for 5 to 6 minutes. So we're gonna get our miso shiru set up and any other odds and ends that we want for our meal while that cooks. I'm a gyoza expert now, and I'm pretty sure they're finished. I think the social distancing means that or the lack of social distancing means that they now are one gyoza. I'm gonna see what I can do to get it out. Oh, got a couple.
Not too bad. You can wrangle your way out of that.
Look, I'm putting it on the nice stuff. On the nice plate. Ooh, we got a definite grilled one in there. I was a bit worried that they were just getting really soggy and wouldn't be crispy on the bottom, but we got crisp. See that crisp?
So, you cooked all that stuff and I made you a glass of water, but I don't know how.
How are we gonna
Can we do this? Can we chunk it back? Grunt or something if you're worried about drowning. Wow, this is impressive. All right.
Only like a little bit's on my face and on the floor. We're ready. I feel like after that I don't really have to say very much.
All right, so here's the deal.
Oh, you already pressed play? or record? I was just sitting, what was I doing?
Yeah,
I thought I had freedom from recording right there.
Here's the deal. So I was walking down the street way out kind of like on the edge of northern Tokyo, and there was a shop where it was like you just went in and there were no employees. And it was like a refrigerator full of gyoza, and they have a little box, and you put 1,000 yen in, and you get all those gyoza. So like
it's like 2 meals worth of gyoza.
Yeah, but it's like they had these refrigerators with like a lot of gyoza in it, and it was just like an unattended, like like the vegetable stands.
Bears can only do like 1 latch. You put 3, bears can't get in.
But this was in the city and inside of a room.
And it's gyoza.
And it's gyoza, yeah. So somebody's just making a whole bunch of gyoza every day and filling up these freezers. And then anybody in the neighborhood can just roll in and have some gyoza.
I'm just going to take a bite
like a raw dog?
Yeah, and see how it goes.
Yeah, I mean, I think the price for what you get is
Crunchy and Wonder Pop.
pretty amazing. And the sauce was, you had to pay for the sauce though. The sauce was 200 yen.
Oh.
But I mean, this is like quite
That's a lot of sauce.
This is quite a lot of
Yeah,
sauce.
what else are we going to use that on? Because we got like, we're going to use like 10% of it on gyoza and then 90% of it on sitting in the
fridge, waiting to go bad.
Waiting to go bad.
All right, but it was, I figured we should try the sauce since it was like the special sauce from the place.
Chef recommends sauce.
Yeah, we went through a phase when we first moved here where we ate gyoza constantly and kind of burned it out, but I'm back on the game. I really like it again. How's the sauce?
It tastes like it's soy sauce and vinegar already mixed together.
No, but it says tade.
Dade is a different thing. I don't know what tade is.
Yeah, this says it has shoyu, and yes, it has vinegar in it,
So
and grape juice.
we won't be needing this, and we won't be needing this.
Vinegar.
Okay, well that's good. So
Yeah.
all you'll need to do is just
add some ryu into it.
ryu for some spice and make your own favorite concoction.
Yeah, they're pretty good though. I mean, it's like gyoza kind of has a ceiling on how good it can be. Mostly, this was just interesting to me because of the little shop, and I
that's so
made a
weird.
video of it, and then I was like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that video, and then I was walking back and past it again, and I was like, screw it, I'm gonna get some.
Yeah, that was
And
really
then,
smart.
Like, you know, throw some rice on the side, get some miso soup, put your tomatoes in your miso soup like a god, and you've got a pretty decent meal.
Get your Katie to cook your food for you. What'd you do over there?
I dropped him a tomato.
Like
It
a god.
didn't happen like a god. Hey everyone, don't forget to slap like and leave a comment as a sacrifice to the algorithm gods. Subscribing and ringing the bell helps too. More soon from our adventures around Japan. Stay tuned, or whatever you do to YouTube.